Hey everyone! So you're stuck between Shopify and Wix for your online store? Look, I've tested both extensively, and there's a clear winner depending on what you need. But first, hit that subscribe button because this breakdown is going to save you hundreds of dollars and weeks of frustration. Quick context. Shopify is an e-commerce first platform built exclusively for selling products. Every feature is designed around transactions, scaling, and conversions. Wix, it's a website builder with e-commerce bolted on. More flexibility, less specialized power. That distinction matters more than you think. Pricing reality. Shopify Basic starts at $39, month, Wix Core at $29. Sounds cheaper, right? Wrong. Here's the catch. If you don't use Shopify payments, you'll pay up to 2% extra transaction fees on every sale. That's $20 on a $1,000 order gone. Wix doesn't charge transaction fees at all, but Shopify's payment processing rates are slightly lower if you use their system. Scaling and performance. Wix caps you at 50,000 products and struggles with high traffic stores. Shopify? Built for multi-million-dollar businesses, unlimited products, multi-channel selling across Amazon, eBay, Instagram, and advanced inventory management. If you're planning to grow beyond a side hustle, Shopify won't bottleneck you. Ease of use. Wix wins here, drag and drop everything, over 900 free templates, and you can literally build a store in an afternoon. Shopify has fewer free themes and a steeper learning curve, but once you're up, the backend is more powerful for actual selling, better analytics, abandoned cart recovery that actually converts, and POS integration if you go physical. The real differentiator. Apps and integrations. Shopify's App Store has 708 dropshipping apps alone and thousands of sales-focused tools. Wix has around 800 apps total, many requiring extra subscriptions. For serious e-commerce automation, Shopify dominates. Bottom line, choose Wix if you're a creator, service provider, or small business testing products. Budget-friendly, beautiful, easy. But if you're building a real online store with growth plans, multiple sales channels, or need advanced tools, Shopify is worth every extra dollar. It's not about which is better, it's about which fits your business model. So, which one are you going with? Drop a comment below, and if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest tech comparisons. See you in the next one.